In the last video, we clearly understood artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Now the big question is, where does Gen AI fit? And this is where things start to get really interesting. Let's quickly revise what we learned. We saw a hierarchy, AI, ML, DL, step by step. Each level becomes more specialized. Artificial intelligence is the broad field. You can think of it as the umbrella covering everything. Inside that, we go deeper into learning systems. Machine learning focuses on learning from data. In simple terms, models learn patterns from data and improve their performance over time. Deep learning goes one level deeper. It uses neural networks to capture complex patterns, especially when dealing with large, unstructured data. Before we start the next topic, let's quickly test your understanding. If you get these right, you're already ahead of most candidates. Which is correct? 1. AI inside ML inside DL. 2. ML inside AI inside DL. 3. DL inside ML inside AI. Or 4. AI inside DL inside ML. Take a moment and think. The correct answer is option 3. Deep learning sits inside machine learning, and machine learning sits inside AI. Always remember this hierarchy. Second question. What does machine learning mainly do? 1. Generate new images. 2. Predict and classify data. 3. Build hardware systems. Or 4. Store data in database. Pause the video if you need more time to think. The correct answer is option 2. Machine learning focuses on prediction and classification tasks. It does not generate new content. Now, let's place generative AI in this structure. It sits inside deep learning as a specialized area. This is the correct position. Generative AI relies on advanced neural networks. These models are trained on very large data sets, making them more powerful than basic models. Just like other systems, it learns from data. The model captures patterns deeply from examples, but the output it produces is very different. Here is the key idea. The concept of generation changes everything. It creates instead of just analyzing. Traditional AI works in a different way. It predicts results based on input data, mainly focusing on decision-making. It can also label data into categories. Tasks like classification are very common, but nothing new is actually created. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine a data set of cow images used for training. The model learns from many such examples. Now we test the system. It answers whether the image is a cow or not. This is a classification task. So traditional AI is mainly about analysis. It performs decision-making tasks, but does not create anything new. Now comes generative AI. It creates completely new outputs. And that is the key shift. Now imagine asking the model something different. It can generate a brand new cow image, not just identify one. This output is not copied from training data. It is generated based on what the model has learned, making it a new creation. The flow is simple to understand. First, the model learns, and then it creates. That is the core idea. Generative AI works across multiple formats. It can generate text, images, audio, video, and even code, which makes it extremely powerful. Many modern tools use this technology. They generate direct answers for users, instead of just showing search results. Earlier, we searched and read multiple pages. Now we receive direct answers instantly, saving both time and effort. Another major advantage is context awareness. The system understands previous inputs and continues the conversation naturally. This allows smooth follow-up questions. Each new question connects to the previous one, making the interaction more natural. Now let's remember key ideas. Point 1. Data quality is critical. Better data always leads to better results. Here is a very important rule. Garbage in, garbage out always applies. Poor input leads to poor output. Second is computation power. These models require strong processing capability because they are very complex. Large models need significant computation. A lot of processing happens behind the scenes. That is why GPUs are commonly used. Third is the shift in interaction. Users now prefer conversational systems instead of traditional search methods. Earlier, we depended on search engines. Now we interact through chat-based systems, which feels more natural. At this point, the concept should be clear. You now understand where generative AI fits and how it differs from traditional AI. In the next tutorial, we will go deeper. We will explore how generative AI works internally. See you there.